Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to increase, Pinterest user engagement time on your website. Increasing Pinterest user engagement time on your website requires two-pronged approach: creating high intent, thumb-stopping pins that attract the right audience, right? Or basically, in optimizing your landing pages to provide immediate value in further exploration. Pinterest acts more like a visual search engine than a social network. So success depends on SEO, visual quality, and alignment with user search intent. So create fresh, high quality content weekly. Pinterest prioritizes new content. Focus on creating 3 to 5 fresh pins per week using high quality resolution, vertical 2:3 aspect ratio images rather than just repinning old content. Video pins and idea pins often see the engagement rates 8 to 10% higher than specific static pins because they are immersive and story driven. You can enable rich pins to automatically sync information like blog headlines, recipe ingredients, or product prices from your site. This adds context that boosts user confidence, increases click-through rate. You can use Pinterest search bar suggestions to find basically popular long-tail keywords, right? Naturally incorporate these into pin titles and descriptions rather than just dumping hashtags. And use specific action-oriented text on your images or in descriptions, such as read the full tutorial, shop the look, or grab the free guide. Okay, so use basically analytics to refine strategy. Monitor outbound clicks versus pin clicks. Right? If you want to see analytics, you can just go ahead and click the Pinterest logo at the top and see. Basically, you can analyze the performance. Okay? Focus on outbound clicks as these directly measure traffic leaving Pinterest for your site. Use Pinterest analytics to see which pins generate the longest on-site engagement and create more content in that style. And you can use the Pinterest trend tool, right? To create content that matches what users are planning for, as trends on Pinterest often peak early. So, why engagement drops? If traffic lands but immediately bounces, it means the pin's promise didn't match the landing page content, or the page was not immediately useful. So, consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.